Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Aksa Zafar and I am here to help you learn about deep learning with some of the best free courses available. If you are excited to dive into deep learning or even just curious to know what it's all about, this video is for you. I will walk you through each course, showing what makes it useful so you can pick the one that fits your learning style best. So let's get started. Starting with Intro to Deep Learning with PyTorch on Udacity, which is about a 2-month course. Don't worry, that might sound long, but it's paced well to make sure you understand each concept. You will begin by learning the basics of neural networks and PyTorch, great for building a solid foundation. Then you will dive into convolutional neural networks, where you will learn some exciting things like training a network, optimizing models, and understanding how CNNs work in image recognition. Later, you will learn about RNNs and LSTMs, which are great for working with sequences like text. By the end, you will build a model to predict sentiment, which means the model can tell if a piece of text is positive or negative. This course has a nice mix of theory and hands-on practice. So it's perfect if you are already familiar with Python and libraries like NumPy. If that sounds good to you, this could be a strong start. I have put all the links in the description below. Next up is Applied Deep Learning, Build a Chatbot on Udemy. This one is much shorter, around 6 hours in total, so you could complete it over a weekend if you like. This course starts with the basics of RNNs and LSTMs, and then you will get into attention mechanisms, which helps model focus on important parts of the input data. After the theory, it gets practical. You will learn how to work with PyTorch, process data, and train a chatbot model. This course is great if you already know a bit about neural networks and want to try out a hands-on project quickly. It's focused and project-based, so if you enjoy working on practical examples, this could be a fun course for you. I have put all the links in the description below. Moving on, we have Intro to TensorFlow for Deep Learning on Udacity, like the PyTorch course. This one also takes around 2 months, but with a different focus, TensorFlow. You will begin with machine learning basics and explore the Fashion Amnis dataset, which makes learning about neural networks fun and visual. After that, you will dive into CNNs, transfer learning, and even forecasting and natural language processing. A fun part is learning to use TensorFlow Lite, which lets you create models for mobile devices like Android and iOS. If you want to learn TensorFlow from the ground up and see how it can be used in different types of projects, this course will be a great fit. It's ideal if you are comfortable with Python and want to learn both theory and deployment. I have put all the links in the description below. Now, for those of you looking for something shorter, let's talk about Kaggle's Intro to Deep Learning. This one is just about 4 hours long and it's hands-on right from the start. You will work with Keras and TensorFlow, which are both popular for deep learning, and apply them to real-world datasets. You will learn to build neural networks, then use them on data for tasks like classification and regression. And by the end, there is a cool project where you will work on detecting the Higgs boson using TPUs. This course is great if you are familiar with machine learning and want a quick practical intro to deep learning using real data. I have put all the links in the description below. Lastly, if you are completely new to deep learning, basics of deep learning on Udemy might be just what you need. This course is under 2 hours and focuses more on theory than coding. You will start with the history of deep learning and get a simple overview of key concepts, CNNs, and RNNs. This course is all about learning the basics of deep learning, so it's a good choice if you want to ease into topics without jumping into coding right away. So, this course is perfect for beginners who want a quick overview and foundation in deep learning before jumping into more hands on projects. And there you have it. Each of these courses offers something unique, so pick one that fits your needs and learning style. I have put all the links in the description below. Remember, deep learning can be tough, but with the right resources and a little patience, you will get there. And I hope these resources will help you. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.